Northern Ontario's Francophone labour shortage. Northern Ontario's Francophone senior population is among the fastest growing in the province. Youth are leaving. This has created a strong demand for French speakers to support an aging Francophone population in a variety of roles, from personal support workers to general labourers. There are concerns that not enough is being done to attract these sought-after international migrants. By 2026, approximately 34% of future in-migrants to Greater Sudbury, the region's most populous area, will need to be French-speaking to maintain a core workforce that can serve their local French community. Yet over the last 5 years, French-speaking immigrants to the region have amounted to just under 17%. The Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Program that launched in the summer of 2019 is aimed at increasing economic immigration to North Bay, Timmins, Sault Ste. Marie, Thunder Bay, and Sudbury. Under a separate federal initiative, welcoming Francophone communities, 14 communities, including Sudbury, will share $12.6 million over a 3-year period for projects aimed at making Francophone newcomers feel welcome. It will work with specific industries and specific regions to ensure that these jobs can be filled. A northern lens on the decision-making process. RCC spokesperson Matthew Janess says that adjustments to economic immigration streams to encourage more Francophone newcomers have already resulted in a doubling of the number of Francophone economic immigrants to Canada. According to Vic Fideli, the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program was expanded to include 2 areas that were drastically missing in Northern Ontario, which were truck drivers and personal support workers. Outcomes from the pilot will help inform further efforts to regionalize economic immigration in Ontario. However, Mulroney says that her ministry plans to hold its annual Francophone immigration target at 5% for the time being. She notes that Northern Ontario has a Francophone population of over 20%, so different official regional targets for Francophone immigration are needed just to maintain current demographic levels. A newcomer? Andy Kodila arrived in Northern Ontario from the Democratic Republic of Congo in 2015 and has since risen to become the director of a rehabilitation home. He's educated, skilled, and building a new life in Kapuskasing, a Francophone-dominated town of 8,500. If the town is to address a worsening labor shortage, it's going to need many more newcomers like Kodila. As for Kodila, he loves Northern Ontario and the opportunities it has given him. When asked what he likes about living in the region, he says that he likes the warm people.